We want our CSMs to work hand in hand with our customers. If we deeply understand what they're trying to accomplish, we can help them use our products to get there. That's great for our customers, and it's great for our own business objectives. So we use Lucid to make mutual success plans. Here's what that looks like. Our CSMs start with custom-made templates that are available to the entire team. No need to start from scratch. They can dive right into templates that are going to drive meaningful customer conversations. From there, CSMs fill out this plan with the customer. It's an engaging workshop where the customer is leaning in and providing input, way better than one-way presentations and one-sided conversations. Our CSMs facilitate these planning sessions, and the customer helps us understand who their key players are, the goals they're after, ideal timelines, and important milestones. All this information gives our CSMs a really clear picture of how to engage the customer in the most effective way possible. And it's more than a one-time thing. Our CSMs and customers continue to reference these mutual success plans and update them as needed. They can see how they're tracking against their goals. It's a single source of the truth for everyone involved. With these mutual success plans, our CSMs get customers bought into driving their own success with Lucid, building strong relationships from the start. And this shared understanding makes both us and our customers incredibly successful.